Hi everyone, happy Easter! Today I'm gonna make Easter eggs with this egg decorating kit. I'm using these eggs to decorate my Easter eggs. So we already used these eggs and punched a hole. We also cleaned them. So this egg decorating kit includes 6 dye tablets, an egg dipper, and white crayon, 6 heel seals, slips, a sticker sheet, 8 paper egg stands, and we also get the instructions, and the eggs are sold separate. Let's open it! All what we got. So as per the instructions, we have 3 colored dye tablets for 3 eggs. We're using vinegar and water. Start.
What are you doing, sweetie?
I'm putting tablet and bowl.
Keep in this empty bowl. What are you adding, sweetie? Again?
Vinegar.
Okay.
Melting and water.
Is that water enough?
Yes. And what colors are you making?
What are the colors you are making?
Red,
Red?
orange.
Red and yellow?
Everything so. Orange.
Oh, red and orange?
Yeah.
What are you doing now? What are you doing now? Dipping the egg? 5 minutes? Why you are doing all this?
Do you know why we're doing this, sweetie? Yes, and decorated with this.
Okay.
We just took out eggs from the water and placed them on this dry stand to dry for 5 more minutes. Now we're ready to decorate the eggs. So now I'm decorating the eggs. This is the pink one. So we made all of our eggs and we decorated them. And I hope you have a wonderful Easter. And thanks for watching this Easter video.